Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both devices. Put the Kwid's infotainment in Bluetooth or Android Auto mode and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Pair immediately, enter any PIN shown. Once done, open Google Maps and accept location and microphone permissions so voice navigation works. If your Kwid supports wired Android Auto, plug a good USB cable now. If it supports wireless, keep phone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active. These steps remove common connection blockers and get you into the mapping flow quickly. With pairing complete, you connect. Choose your phone on the Kwid screen and approve media and contact sharing prompts. Then launch Android Auto or the car's phone projection. Select Google Maps as the navigation app. You should see the map on the display. If not, reselect projection mode. Make sure voice guidance is enabled in Maps and the car's audio source is set to phone or Android Auto. Once configured, set map orientation and route preferences so directions match how you drive. Now finalize by running a quick test route and following 1 or 2 turns to confirm visual and spoken directions. If maps won't appear, restart the phone and the Kwid's infotainment. Many projection issues clear after a reboot. If problems persist, swap the USB cable, recheck app permissions, and verify the phone and car firmware are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio plays on phone but not car, ensure the infotainment's media input is set to Android Auto or Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.